Good day to you all. In this video I'm going to show you the measurements that I'm doing on a parallel tank circuit to see what the nodes and antinodes are in this case. First I'm going to start to show you that the series LC has now been changed from a coil with a ferrite rod with an air core coil, but you will see that the results are exactly the same. When we go measuring the magnetic, at the bottom we have an antinode, in the middle we have a node, and at the top again we have an antinode, but the polarity of the two is inverse to each other. When we are going to look at the voltage, so we have the least amount of voltage at the bottom, so this is the connection to my output of the gate driver. When I go up, you see that voltage is rising and I'm going to an antinode. So over here I have my antinode on the side of the capacitor. The capacitor is connected to ground. When we compare this to our receiver, then you will see that again we have an antinode at the bottom going in the center to a node, and at the top again we have an antinode, and just like with the series LC, the polarity is inverse between the two antinodes. Now voltage wise is another result. When I measure at the top, I have over here an antinode, and when I go down to the middle I have the least amount of output, but then I go again to an antinode. And that is the difference between the series LC and the parallel LC in this situation, because our parallel LC circuit over here has two voltage antinodes, while the series LC has only one. But now we must also keep in mind, and that will be for next experiments, that when I ground this receiver, will I also lower that voltage and by that eliminate that antinode that I have in this case. But that will be for upcoming videos. As you can see, this is also the magnetic as we measured in the previous video. So at the bottom we have an antinode, in the middle we don't have anything, or the least amount, and then again we have an antinode. So with the ferrite core or air core, the results are the same. So thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video.